Hello, Professor. This is my simultrain project, the maker project you gave me. It includes 9 slides. So, in the first slide, it is basically the introduction of the project. This project includes the comparison of 3 different scenarios of simultrain software, which are basically ecom, agile, and agile hybrid. The slides include the agenda, comparative analysis, planning and resource allocation, selection of risk responses, RACI matrix, lesson learned, and summary. In the first slide is basically the comparative analysis of the 3 scenarios of simultaneous project. In the first scenario, I tested for ecom. So after the test, the result was basically over budget with 11,700, and the motivation at the end of the project was at 95%. In the next scenario is agile. In this scenario, the project was over budgeted at 7,600, and the motivation at the end of the project was 98%. In the third scenario, which is agile hybrid, the project was over budgeted at 18,700, and the motivation at the end of the project was 95%. After that is the resource allocation and planning. So in all of the 3 scenarios, the resources were allocated on the basis of the skill sets possessed by the employees of the organization, and the allocation of the resources basically helped in resolving the risk which was involved in the project, and it also helped me in analyzing the different scenarios of the simultaneous project. After that, I analyzed and tested for the risks. So the risk index in the ecom project was 94%, and the cost inculcated was 79% with the over budget of 11,700. After that, in the agile scenario, the risk index was 97%, and the cost inculcated was 88% with the over budget of 7,600. In the last scenario, which was agile hybrid, the risk index was 94% and the cost was 72% with the over budget of 18,700. After that, the RACI matrix was seen, in which in the ecom scenario, the RACI matrix score was 95%. In the agile scenario, the RACI matrix score was 100%, and for the last scenario, agile hybrid, the RACI matrix score was 100% in this scenario as well. The lessons learned, in my opinion, the lessons learned with this project was like a lot of time was spent on the meetings, and all the activities which are started should be completed within time for the correct identification of the risk. Management skills can only be developed when both critical and non-critical activities are equally focused. Importance of one-on-one meetings, it's critically shown, and risk in management was also highlighted in the scenarios. On comparing all the 3 scenarios, in my opinion, agile scenario was the best as it involves 7 people only. Like a team of 7 people is made for the risk allocation and for the completion of the software. After that, the advantages of simultaneous project, in my opinion, were like we can quickly make a decision, and leadership skills are also tested in this. Basically, real life scenarios are compared in this software, and top management is always involved in the decision making process. Some of the disadvantages of simultaneous project are like it was shown difficulty in assigning tasks based on qualifications. The software becomes very complicated sometimes, and indexes were also set to standards basically. In my opinion, feedback for improvement are like to create a better interface for users. It is must to include lesson learned in, reports on completion of the project, and we should also include tutorials and demonstrations for better understanding of the platform. So basically, I am attaching all the screenshots of the project, which will help you in better understanding. Like I have completed it.